Hi, this is Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionP.com, and this is the Volatility Report, Stock Market Option Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. Should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Tomorrow night at 9:30 Eastern Time, I am doing my newest VIX webinar. This is going to be free. It's going to be great, and it is something you absolutely have to attend. I'm going to be covering VIX, VIX futures, VIX options, spikes options, EXXB, UVXY, all the VIX products in the world. Go to optionp.com/VIX2019 to join. Speaking of VIX, it is up marginally today. The market is down. You can see the S&P is down about 11. The NASDAQ is down. Basically, all the markets are down. The Dow is the worst of them, and I'll talk about why in a second. But I do want to point out VIX finally found a floor after really getting way too cheap on Friday. It's been bid right back. VIX still at under 14. You know, I'm looking for VIX to come off today, but the term structure is normalized. The spread between the cash and the future, pretty okay. Nothing crazy there. What's driving us lower? Well, take a look at Boeing. More problems with their production and the 737 MAX. It's off 4%. Every time there's been this news, it's been punched in the face. And it's also been an opportunity to fade the move. I like that as a play. Market as a whole, VIX continues to just kind of ignore these little sell-offs. The most fear it's actually had was when we were rallying last week. The Qs are off about 0.5%, SPX off about 0.4%. The diamonds, they're the worst, but that's driven by Boeing. And the Russell 2000 is, you know, also not so great. I want to point out oil has been really strong. So that's part of the reason why we've seen some strength in names like XOM and in CVX. And so that's been probably the best thing that we've seen. Boeing has not. And so on the day, I think you could see the market maybe be a little soft, but we've been bought after the euro close, and I like that continue to be the case. All right, everybody, you got questions, you can email me, mark@optionp.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.